boys and girls. So you've already written a haiku or two. Mr. Adam had done this one about the wood chopping, and we're going to take this poem and turn it into an art piece. So what you see here is I've taken the haiku and I just put it on a piece of paper. This is watercolor paper because I'm about to do some watercolor on it. I sketched out with my pencil where I would like these lines to go. That way I could erase if I didn't like where I put things. You'll notice I have pencil marks in different places, and that's okay. I can just erase really easily. I just write really lightly. That way if I don't like where I place something, I can just erase. Then I came over with just a black marker. You can use a marker or a pen. I used a pen. You can do whatever you want for this, but I'm just showing you how I decided to make an art piece out of this haiku. So let's paint the wood here. Got some interesting watercolor. It's kind of fun. I think I'm going to mix a little red with the brown and get some water on there. Now the outside, oh, I see the pen is kind of bleeding a little bit. I might have done instead pencil first, then painted, let it dry a little bit. And
sometimes
then,
stumps kind of have a little red in them.
I'm not talking about the red. I'm talking about the bleeding of the pen there.
Oh, yeah.
The marker is bleeding onto the rest of it. That's okay. I still like it. And I can always try again. It didn't take me much time at all. See how it's kind of bleeding there? That's okay. All right, we'll just fill this out, and then I'm going to put some brown as well on the axe. In just a moment. Put some brown for the wood of the axe and maybe a little gray for that silver part of the axe. Definitely want it more white than black. Let's see how this turns out. Not brown. It's not turning out the color I want. That's all right. I'm going to just make it a lot lighter by just putting a lot of water in it. Whoa, cool. Look at how that turned out down there. That's fun. And maybe when it dries, I would put some grass in the front or something in the background, but that's fun. Show us what you make. We would love to see it. Maybe it's using colored pencils, crayons, or markers, or paints, or even chalk. That'd be awesome.